Should I actually break up with Poshmark? It's a long, drawn out relationship. I feel like I'm continuing to see red flags. What's up, guys? It's your girl, Sarah from Sarah Styles here. I'm going to be talking about why I'm considering quitting Poshmark and then walk through all of the things that I will look at to decide if I'm going to quit Poshmark. So there's two main reasons that I've really been considering quitting Poshmark. Aside from all my feelings about the new features that they're doing, I'm gonna look at my numbers and make this a strategic decision for my business. Is it worth my time and money? Every single month I do a how much money I made video. I will link the playlist up here for you guys to watch. I go through my gross all the way down to my net and take everything out. This chart shows you the split out of where all of my revenue comes, and you can see Poshmark is an itty bitty piece of the puzzle. eBay is really that big kahuna, the big chunk of where my sales come from. So that's one reason that I'm considering it. Consideration number two, this chart is from the Sarah Styles Sales and Trends dashboard. So you guys can have access to this data as well. Obviously your data would look differently, but it's a Google Sheets for download. Information is linked down below as well for purchase, but you can look at up to 25 platforms and see how your platforms are performing as well. This is really driving some of my decision as well. As you can see, not only is my average sale price down, the fees on Poshmark are higher, so I'm actually making less money on Poshmark. People are sending lower offers, wanting to pay less on Poshmark, and Poshmark promotes this, right? This is just the beast of a platform that I'm choosing to sell on, and that's part of my consideration, right? I can't fault Poshmark. That is their strategy. They promote 80% off designer prices, retail prices. They also, when you send an offer, they finally did come with an auto decline. However, the auto decline price is like 80% off of your listed price. So because I've known this in the past, part of my strategy is to have it on eBay first and try and get it sold on eBay first because they have lower fees and I have a higher average sale price on eBay. However, in the spring, I had some virtual assistant turnover and I was really working on just getting them up and going with making drafts in eBay, and cross posting kind of got pushed to the side. So I am actually a couple months behind. Only about a third of my inventory is on Poshmark. Keep in mind, I do not spend any of my own time on Poshmark. It is all outsourced to a virtual assistant. So saying, hey, your time could be better used somewhere else, my time cannot be used anywhere else because I don't do anything on Poshmark. However, my money and my resources, my virtual assistant's time, would it be better spent on something else? And would that money that I pay for a virtual assistant to share and to cross list, would that be better used somewhere else? Let me know what you guys think down below and let's get right into the analysis. All right, so I'm going to be looking at two things, time and money. Those are the two things that I'm considering when deciding if it is worth it to continue to sell on Poshmark. So like I said, my time is not my time. I'm spending no time on Poshmark. I already have the inventory. I have spent the time on sourcing the inventory, taking the photos of the inventory. However, I'm not specifically sourcing for Poshmark. I've already done all of that for eBay. It's considering paying out of my pocket for a virtual assistant to cross list and then their time. Would their time be better spent on something else? For me, I don't know how else to grow on eBay. So if they stop on Poshmark, besides listing more items, right? That's how you grow on eBay. I am already doing sales, promoted listings. I send coupons. I go in and edit every day. All of the little tricks on eBay I'm already doing or having them do. So from that perspective, there's not really much more time I can spend on eBay except more inventory. And the struggle that I personally have with inventory is I don't have more time to source. I'm already struggling with getting enough inventory to list 11 items a day on eBay. I don't have the time to increase that. I am a stay-at-home mom of 3 children. They are back in school, but I have a preschooler. So I get 2.5 days kid free. And that includes all of my reselling activities and all of my social media things. Not to mention, because I stay at home, I have to have my inventory here. I don't have the option to go to a facility. I can't just go, hey, go get a storage unit. The reason that I do this is to be able to work out of my house. It would take time to go to the storage unit. And even if it's only 10 or 15 minutes, I only get 2.5 hours a day. That's a lot of time. Okay, so get a shed out of your house. That's a consideration. We do have a decent sized backyard. My husband has said, let's get a shed, let's get a shed. However, that's not cheap. Let me know what you guys think. All right, so before we get into the money side of it, if you guys want to learn how to make money reselling, make sure to hit that subscribe button. These videos, my content is going to work for everybody. I don't just tell you my brands that sell women's clothing, shoes, and purses. I teach you how to look at your numbers, how to make strategic decisions about your business, regardless of what you sell or how frequently you sell. Likes are for free, so make sure to hit that like button. Share this video on social media. Tag me, Sarah Styles LLC, on all platforms. All right, so now let's get into the money of it. If you look at this little split out, I went over net inventory, so taking fees out, my 3-month net average on Poshmark, and then my virtual assistant cost associated to Poshmark. So this includes sharing, cross-listing, and then they also take the items off of Poshmark. But that's something to consider as well. If I have more inventory on Poshmark and I'm not really selling much, I'm paying my virtual assistant to cross-list the items and then take them off. But you can see in this chart that I'm still making money. And I'm spending no time on Poshmark, guys. I'm paying a VA, so I am spending money, but that money is making me money, right? It's making me money. It's essentially passive income. I think moving forward, I am going to continue to stay on Poshmark. I'm going to cross-list everything except for the previous month's inventory onto Poshmark and see if I can't get that to increase a little bit. If you like this video, I will link another playlist here of other eBay and reseller tips and trick videos that I do. YouTube thinks you guys would like this. Make sure to hit that sub button.